Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's quite early today. The time telling me around 5:30 in the morning. Fresh air today and it's quite beautiful day. It's beautiful morning. And today is my day off, so I'm going to enjoy it myself with Brompton. The temperature is 4 Celsius, so it's nice actually, not that cold. You don't want too hot when you ride your bike because after a while getting warm by pedaling your bike. So 4 Celsius is just right. Still quiet on the path. No one walking so far. I don't see anybody walking. I want to show you on the top of the river is the dew, you know. Can you see that white cloud? It's beautiful sky. The sun is coming from that side, so it's the east there, because the sun rises from the east. There's a lot of birds flying around, a lot of birds singing in the morning. It's amazing. Can you hear that? Two pigeon there. Wait for me. They fly.